Naveen Mathur joins us for a view or strategy on all of those commodities for the day today. Naveen, hi. How are you trading precious metals today?
Good morning, Manisha. I think I'll go for a buy on the dips for the precious metals, both for gold and silver. I would recommend a strategy for the intraday to buy gold August contract at around 3,800 to 850. Put the stop loss at around 650 levels, and targets on the upside can be seen in a range of around 150 to 160 levels. Actually, Manisha, the FOMC meeting outcome would be crucial. And as you're rightly pointing out, the predictions are that one of the interest rate highs is now being discounted in the prices for the dollar and the dollar-denominated commodities. So I think largely the FOMC meeting outcome would be crucial to watch out for at the end of the day. And
Absolutely. All asset classes are watching out for that. But quickly, Naveen, on metal space as well, because this sector had been rising one way, and even as the equity markets are doing well in the metal space, the metal itself, the underlying commodity, has seen a profit taking for a second straight day today.
Absolutely, Manisha. I think the stimulus the expectation of the stimulus from the Bank of Japan is kind of building up some positive momentum, although we are seeing a pressure from the upside, the profit booking coming in. But I think buy on the dips for the copper August contract on the MCX would do well for the intraday trade. 329, 330 levels would be the positions to initiate at. The stop loss at 326 and 336 would be the target.
Thank you very much, Manisha and Naveen. It's just that at the moment, the equity markets are in such a fiery mood that it's just taking away all attention.